Alright, I'm Coin Ring Maker. I make coins into rings. Today I'm going to be working on this 1949 90% silver quarter. I am just going to wait a little bit for a couple more people to hop in here. While we wait, if y'all wouldn't mind tapping the screen a little bit, that would be super. During this live, if at any point you want to check out some of my work, there's a gold chain at the bottom of the screen you can tap on. You can also shop through the website linked on my TikTok profile. But we're going to go ahead and get started. I think it's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be a size 8.5 ring. We're going to make it out of this 1949 quarter. First thing we're going to do is punch a hole. Final close look at it. I'm going to throw this in the tumbler. That's going to help clean it up a little bit more. And while I do that, I do ask that y'all go check out my website. You can tap the gold chain at the bottom of the screen or the link on my profile. If you're not really interested in getting a coin ring, there is a button on there that will give you a $15 credit for Whatnot, which is a live auction app. There's lots of cool collectibles on there. But it's a really cool app. So if you could do me a favor and just sign up for that, get your $15 credit, that would be super cool. If you want to go check out the website and maybe find a ring for yourself, now's a good time to do it. We're going to throw this in the tumbler. Should take about 2 or 3 minutes to clean up. I love to hear it. Love to hear it.